Howdy campers, welcome back to taste test time. This isn't your normal camp food, at least not here. Oh, hello Raja, thank you for showing the internet your butt. Look internet, it's a Raja butt for you. No, you don't like this, trust me. So, we have kimchi. I love kimchi. This is J1. I picked up at somewhere, and I'm eager to try it. We have naturally fermented Napa cabbage kimchi. It's the same on that side, yeah. So this is your normal, and you can heat it up if you want, but I don't want to. I like it cold. They're like expire in 2025, so I should actually get a bunch of these. This one it sounds very interesting. It's stir-fried kimchi. I got mostly the same ingredients. They just maybe heated it or something. Refrigerate after opening. 20 calories per serving. There's 5 servings. And this is 20 calories and 3 servings per container. So, sorry for the noise. We'll try the traditional first. And look, it's got a pull tab. When you're camping, kimchi may make you a little gassy. So your cot mate or tent mate might not appreciate it, but it can fill you up. Smells and looks like kimchi. There's a chunk of, oh, that's cabbage. Let's see what we got here, if I can get hold of it. Didn't bring a napkin, so I have to use my shirt. Actually very tasty. Oh, there's the, I was going to say it's a little, it's a very steep driveway up here in the mountains. Someone stepped on the gas. Anyway, I was going to say it's bland, there's no spice, blah, blah, blah. But then it hit me and it's got some spice. It's a nice little, kicks you while you're chewing flavor. That's right, Rasha. I'm telling you, you won't like it. See, told you. So, Raja the Wonder Cat is our official co-host since Baja the Wonder Dog has moved on with, she's living with family of our neighbors because she didn't want to, she wasn't our dog. She just acted like it sometimes. So I like this. Good stuff. You may have seen a previous episode where I taste tested Trader Joe's. And I was very disappointed because it was really bland. It was just like pickled cabbage and that's all. So this is the stir-fry kimchi. Maybe it's in the spices. It's spicy. Can get hold of something. It's It's a little bit spicier. They got a stir fry. Maybe they added stir fry seasoning and I didn't see it here. I'm reading upside down. Cabbage water, red chili pepper, olive oil, ginger, garlic, radish, sugar, and salt. But it kind of tastes like a stir fry. Maybe it's just the right combination of ingredients. It gives it that stir fry flavor. So that's good. This is traditional, and very traditional, a little bit of spice. This is stir fry. Actually, this would be delicious to toss on the next time I make stir fry on my Blackstone griddle. A little bit more spice. Tomato flavor comes out more. What's there? There's no tomato, but it has more of a tomatoey, saucy. It's different, but I like it. Try the traditional one more time. They're both good, and that's as good or better than I hoped for the stir fried. So, that's it. Oh, I did get it all over my shirt. J1. Where are you made? Product of Korea. I don't know where you get it normally. Maybe your favorite Asian store. If you've got a Super J Mart near you, I 100% recommend. It's one of my favorite stores. Our nearest one's LA. And I stay away from LA as much as I can. Even the airport, especially the airport. Yes, Russia. First Super J Mart I went into was Atlanta. It's like the Walmart of Asian things. They have kiosks with different foods and gifts, and they're just absolutely wonderful. You can find all kinds of good stuff. Like they have like an entire aisle of just kimchi, and you can explore different flavors to your heart's content. Anyway, these are both a thumbs up. I definitely have to get more before the discount store sells out. This, I'm going to have to get one just to dump next time I make a stir fry, if I remember. Or even a fried rice. The ideas are just popping in my head. That's what we got. Hopefully we'll have some more taste testing and cooking and all that soon. If you haven't been keeping up, I've been on a diet for like 5 months now. So far I've lost 5 months. Yeah, I know. I've lost some weight. Kind of plateaued. We were traveling and it's the holidays and blah blah blah. Get caught in that whole trap of getting off your diet a little bit. But I'm still, tonight we're having salads. Today I'm having kimchi, which, 20 calories per serving. I just had 2 servings, so that's 40 calories. But hard to go wrong there, other than the gassiness. Although, if you don't know, cooked cabbage doesn't create the gas. It's raw cabbage. So keep that in mind. Anyway, that's enough gas for you today. TMI, the TMI episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.